Alright, go.
Sexy girl in bikini, everything tweet. Sun under we feet, so let me dance to the beat. Wind up the waist.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve my everyday makeup look. If you're interested, keep on watching, but don't forget, if you're not subscribed, to go right ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's cool around these sides, okay? So just go ahead and hit it right now. And also turn on the notification bell so you would definitely know whenever I upload a new video. Just keep on watching. I did my brows off camera, but what I'm doing now is taking my Decay Stay Naked concealer in the shade 70 NY and just cleaning up the bottom parts of my brows. Once I've moisturized my face with my Versed moisturizer and applied my NYX HD Studio primer, I'm now gonna go in and clean up the top parts of my brows with my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade 310. To set the primer I put on my face, I'm taking some translucent powder and lightly applying it all over the face and then going in with my foundation. What works for me, I choose to use a brush first, then go in with a beauty blender, but the brush I'm using is my Morphe M439 foundation brush. What I do to get a almost skin-like finish, I go in with my Sonia Kasuku beauty blender and just blend out the foundation a little bit more. Once everything is blended to my liking, I go in with the concealer I use to clean up my brows and highlight my forehead, nose bridge, under my eyes, and other key points of my face. I then go in with my winter concealer, which is a Born This Way concealer in the shade Caramel, just to add a little bit of brightness. In my concealer, I don't use a sponge first. I go in with this Real Techniques correcting brush I got from TJ Maxx, and then I go over it with the beauty blender. To set everything, I use my Fenty translucent powder in the shade Cashew. I usually use a light layer. I don't like to bake my face, but I press it into the skin so it can set it. Being that I don't cream contour, I just go over my forehead and my cheekbones with my bronzer from Morphe in the shade Showmance. And then I set the rest of my makeup with my Decay finishing powder. Once I'm done setting the face, I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus and bring it out over and then going in with a fluffy brush and pressing the setting spray into my face. So we close to the finish line, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is apply some blush to my cheek. I'm using the Saharan blush palette volume 2 in the shade Tau. For highlight, I'm going into my Bay in Paradise palette from Burkina in the shade Mahu with a little bit of Shady Bitch. I like to mix the two. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lashes for my falsies using this Bambi Eye Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. Did the other lashes off camera, but I'm just showing you how I apply my lashes. I don't know how to apply it with tweezers, so I just use my hands. The name of my lashes is called Sissy from Lady Looks on Instagram. This time I thought I was recording. It wasn't. Oh, they got it. For my lip combo, I'm using this NYX lip pencil in the shade Espresso and this e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in the shade Coffee. To finish everything off and set everything in place, I'm taking both my Fix Plus and my Morphe setting sprays and setting my face. I know I can do. I know I can do. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and follow me on all socials at ZHRANE, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.